Welcome to Cinnamon Sanctuary's first ever video where I'll be showing you my recipe for French toast. I'm really excited to get started on this channel and to upload some of my favorite recipes, savory and sweet items, mostly savory items. But I thought for a first recipe it would be nice and fitting to show you how I make my French toast, which is a firm favorite in this household actually. So if you're interested in finding out how I produce my French toast, please stay tuned and please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you very, very soon. Bye. Here's a layout of what you will need to make your French toast. I'm using a brioche loaf by way of bread because it's delicious, but you can use any type of bread. Ordinary loaves or even baguette slices work very well for this recipe. You'll also need 2 eggs, butter, milk, some salt, sugar, vanilla essence, and some nutmeg, and this will make about 4 to 5 slices of French toast. So the next thing you want to do is to start beating your eggs and incorporating the rest of your ingredients. Once your egg mixture is combined, it's time to start frying your toast. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm just melting some butter in a pan. I'm using medium fire here, medium heat here, medium to low. You don't want it to be too high because you don't want it to start burning straight away. You want it to warm incrementally. So I'm just adding some butter here and I'm going to let this melt and warm up in time for my toast to be fried. Okay, now for the fun part, we're going to soak our brioche slices in our egg mixture and start frying. Now, some people like to let it soak for quite a while. I just like to turn it around on both sides for a bit. I don't keep it in the egg mixture for too long because I don't want it to be drenched, but just soaked enough for it to hold, the right amount of egg mixture, if that makes any sense. And then we can start frying. there you have it. Nice golden French toast, perfect for breakfast. Can also be served for lunch. Why not? Or for dinner. Why not? If you want to be cheeky, why not enjoy a nice sweet lunch or dinner? I like to serve this with fresh fruits, strawberries and blueberries being a favorite of mine, and a drizzle of maple syrup. I've not shown it here, but yes, I like to enjoy this with some maple syrup. Please give this video some love. It's my first video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've learned something. And I'm really looking forward to posting some more videos on this channel. And please like. See you next time. Bye.